Dear students, in this video we'll deal with the next topic, that is the nomenclature of the organic compounds. And in the nomenclature has been given by the IUPAC, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. There are certain rules given by the IUPAC according to which the names of the compounds are decided, and there is only one organic or IUPAC name for every organic compound. So there is a syntax for writing the name of the compounds. In the center, first we'll write the root word, and before the root word we'll write alkyl group and halo group, and after the root word we'll write primary suffix and secondary suffix. 1 degree is the symbol used for primary and 2 degree is the symbol used for secondary. Now we'll discuss one by one the each term I have used in this syntax. This is the syntax of writing the, or you can write, say the pattern of writing the name of organic compound. Number first is root word in the center, which is written. It depends on the number of carbon atoms in the organic compound or in the main chain. If the carbon atom is 1, then we use the root word meth. If the number of carbon atom is 2, then we'll use the root word it. If it is 3, then prop. If it is 4, then but. If it is 5, pent. 6, hex. 7, hept. 8, oct. 9, non. And 10, dec. There are more number of carbon atoms are there, but in your course we have to deal with 10 carbon atoms only. Next, the term that I have used here is halo group. Now what is halo group? Only 4 halogens are there: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So if chlorine appears in the chain, then you will write chloro, fluorine, fluoro, bromine, bromo, iodine, iodo. Next is in the before root word I have written alkyl group. Now what is alkyl group? Alkyl group is the alkane minus 1 hydrogen. That is, suppose methane I have written. Methane minus 1 hydrogen will give you the formula CH3. And because it has 1 carbon atom, for 1 carbon atom we have used the root word meth. So we'll write meth and then we'll add the word il to that, methyl. Now if we use ethane, then from ethane we will make the alkyl group ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl, heptyl, octyl, nonene and decyl. So like this we can make the alkyl group from the corresponding alkanes. Next is primary suffix. Primary suffix in alkane, it is used ane, alkene, ene. For alkyne we will use yne, ine, and for others we will use the primary suffix an. This e, instead of this e we will write the secondary suffix here. Instead of after an we will write here secondary suffix. And now what is secondary suffix? Secondary suffix is used for all the other functional groups that I have taught you. The other functional groups are alcohol. For alcohol we will use OL along with AN. Aldehyde we will use Al along with An. Carboxylic acid we will use oic acid along with An. Ketone we will use again on with An. Ether, for ether we use oxy. For ester we will use OH. And for alkyl halides we will use halo group. If it is fluorine we will use fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo for chlorine, bromine, iodine respectively. And alkyl halides are also therefore called as haloalkanes. So this you have to learn, and we'll deal with examples that how we can write the names of the organic compounds. But before that we have to deal with the rules of the nomenclature. So in the next video we'll deal first with the rules of the nomenclature and then with certain examples of each of the functional groups, that how you can write the names of the organic compound depending on the information that I have given you, depending on the syntax and depending on the rules of the name and nomenclature that has been laid by IUPAC.